นำขององค์การบริหารส่วนตำบลหนองบุญนาคพร้อมกับจิตอาสาประชารัฐนะครับจิตอาสาเพื่อความสะอาดกับนักเรียนนี่ประมาณกว่า200คนเราเป็นที่ทิ้งขององค์การบริหารส่วนตำบลซึ่งไม่ว่าจะเป็นตรงหลุมหรือที่สาธารณะวันนี้เราต้องมาช่วยกันครับมาทำความสะอาดตรงบริเวณนี้ครับขอบคุณครับ
I don't wanna be in Finley cause it goes to bed at 9. I don't wanna be in Bowling Green because it's plastered all the time. I don't wanna be in Lima cause there's nothing. I don't wanna be in Finley cause it goes to bed at 9. I don't wanna be in Bowling Green because it's plastered all the time. I don't wanna be in Lima cause there's nothing there to do. I just wanna spend some time with you. I don't wanna be in Cincy cause it smells like burning tires. I don't wanna be in Cleveland cause the lake will catch on fire. I don't wanna be in Dayton, not without a 22. I just wanna spend some time with you. It's so damn hard to find a reason to stay in this infuriating place, but it's harder still to find a reason to leave. I don't wanna be in New York cause it's buried under grime. I don't wanna be in Portland where it's raining all the time. I don't wanna be in San Francisco in the early. I don't wanna be in Cincy cause it smells like burning tires. I don't wanna be in Cleveland cause the lake will catch on fire. I don't wanna be in Dayton, not without a 22. I just wanna spend some time with you. Just stay, brown grass is pretty anyway, cause I just wanna spend some time with you.